Daly is a company that was founded in 2010. The company empowers agencies and customers to run sites with WordPress. So to shape the future of our business, we have customers that need enterprise-grade solutions for the problems that they're facing, such as data, searching, etc. We have a long-standing relationship with Google Cloud and the features that we use there. With Elastic, it was the one-stop shop, kind of off-the-shelf solution that we could just install and integrate with our services that are already there. One of the challenges within WordPress is when you upload media, such as images, it's often easy to forget alt text or captioning, which is good for SEO. When we upload media, we send it off to Gemini. Gemini describes the image and then saves the return text as the alt text. So the business processes that have improved by using Elastic.co is 1, we don't have to manage the cluster. 2, that cluster is just staying up without us even thinking about it. And 3, we get metrics directly from that cluster so we can see how things are going and make informed decisions on whether or not we need to upgrade infrastructure. On average, we see a 5x improvement in search latency performance. Our overall relationship with Elastic and Google Cloud has been absolutely killer. Anytime we've needed documentation, product updates, roadmap updates, it's all been there, and for us to consume it, so easy, fantastic, which accelerates our roadmap and keeps our customers happy.